you are going to love the 2026 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.